Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about getting hosting with Hostinger but aren't sure which plan to choose, Premium, Business, Cloud Startup, this video is for you. I'll break down what each plan includes, the main differences, which one's best for your needs, and how to save the most money when signing up. Don't miss out, I've added a special Hostinger discount link in the description below. Use the coupon code right next to it at checkout to lock in the best Hostinger deal available. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Let's dive right in. Hostinger is one of the most popular web hosting providers out there. They're known for affordable pricing, fast performance, and easy WordPress setup. But choosing the right plan can be confusing, especially since all three Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup look similar at first glance. Let's start with the entry-level option. The Premium plan is the best option for beginners or anyone building their first website. Here's what you get. Hosting for up to 3 websites with 25 gigabytes of SSD storage, 2 mailboxes free for the first year. It also includes a free domain name with annual billing, unlimited SSL certificates, weekly backups, free website migration, a built-in AI website builder, and fully managed WordPress hosting. It's everything you need to launch a portfolio, blog, or small business site. If you're just starting out, this plan gives you plenty of performance and value at the lowest cost. Next up is the Business plan, and this is where things start to get more powerful. It includes everything in the Premium plan, plus extra features like AI tools. Included with this plan are the AI website builder, AI image generator, AI writer, AI blog generator, and AI SEO tools. You get hosting for up to 50 websites with 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 5 mailboxes free for the first year, plus a free domain name with annual billing. This plan also upgrades you to daily and on-demand backups, an AI-powered e-commerce website builder, an AI website builder for WordPress, and includes a CDN for faster global performance. The Business plan is ideal if you're running an e-commerce store, managing multiple websites, or just want faster speeds and stronger security. And finally, the Cloud Startup plan. This one's built for performance and scalability. It's powered by cloud infrastructure, so your site runs on dedicated resources instead of shared ones. Here's what it comes with. Up to 100 websites with 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 3 gigabytes RAM, and 2 CPU cores, a dedicated IP address, daily backups, a free domain, a free SSL, and priority support. The Cloud Startup plan is great for high-traffic websites, business owners managing many client sites, or anyone who wants enterprise-level speed and reliability without the cost of a VPS. Let's quickly compare them side by side. The Premium plan gives you hosting for up to 3 websites with 25 gigabytes of SSD storage and weekly backups. Perfect for beginners just getting started. The Business plan also supports 50 websites but doubles the storage to 50 gigabytes of storage, includes daily backups, and adds a free CDN for faster global performance. Great for growing sites or small businesses. And the Cloud Startup plan steps it up with cloud infrastructure and dedicated resources. You get hosting for up to 100 websites with blazing fast 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, 10 mailboxes free for the first year, and a free domain name with annual billing. This plan also includes automatic website migration, a dedicated IP address for added security and performance, and priority 24/7 expert support. Premium, best for beginners. Business, best for growing websites and small businesses. Cloud Startup, best for high traffic or multiple websites. Now let's talk about pricing. Hostinger's plans are super affordable, especially with long-term discounts. You can get Hostinger hosting cheaper than what you see here with the link in the description, along with the coupon code. At the time of the video, you'll get the Premium plan as low as $278 a month, Business plan $352 a month, Cloud Startup plan $743 a month. Plus, you get a free domain name for 1 year on any of the annual terms. Just keep in mind the monthly term doesn't include a free domain. And to get the biggest discount, select the 48-month term at checkout. Here's my recommendation. Go with Premium if you're new to hosting and just need something simple and reliable. Choose Business if your site's already growing or you're running an online store. Pick Cloud Startup if you want maximum performance, speed, and stability for multiple sites or clients. All 3 include a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can upgrade or downgrade anytime without risk. So that's the full breakdown of Hostinger's Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup plans. If this video helped you decide which one's right for you, give it a like and consider subscribing for more web hosting tutorials and comparisons every week. You'll find my discount link below so you can grab the best deal on your plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.